Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Ever wondered if you can pay for Netflix using PayPal? Well, you absolutely can. It's a simple and convenient way to manage your subscription. Let's break it down step by step so you can get started right away. To get started, open your browser and go to your Netflix account. Make sure you're logged in with the account you want to update. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account section. This is where you can manage all your account settings, including your payment methods. Under the Membership and Billing tab, you'll see an option to change your payment method. This is where you can switch to PayPal. Select PayPal as your preferred payment option. It's a secure and easy way to handle your payments. Now, just log into your PayPal account and authorize the payment. This step ensures that your Netflix subscription will be billed through PayPal. Boom! You're all set. But wait, there's more. Using PayPal for Netflix not only makes payments easier but also adds an extra layer of security. If you ever need to make changes to your Netflix account and you're using PayPal, Netflix customer service might ask you for your PayPal invoice ID or billing ID. This helps them verify your account quickly and efficiently. This is to verify your account and ensure that all changes are authorized by you. If you prefer not to provide this information, no worries. You can still make changes directly from your Netflix account page without any hassle. Simply go to your account settings and make the necessary updates. It's straightforward and user-friendly. A quick reminder, always check your PayPal account regularly for any unusual activity. It's important to stay vigilant and secure. Keeping an eye on your account helps you catch any unauthorized transactions early. It's a good habit to stay secure online. Paying Netflix with PayPal is super easy and convenient. It streamlines your payments and adds an extra layer of security. Now kick back, relax, and enjoy your favorite shows without any worries about your payment method. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you next time. Stay tuned for more helpful content.